Benefits of coconut oil for your hair. Let's delve into how this natural wonder can transform your hair care routine. Coconut oil is a versatile oil extracted from the kernels of mature coconuts. It's prized for its nourishing properties and ability to deeply moisturize hair from root to tip. Coconut oil is packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that promote healthy hair growth and repair. Its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, penetrate the hair shaft, delivering vital nutrients. Coconut oil acts as a natural conditioner, smoothing the hair cuticle and reducing protein loss. Regular use strengthens hair strands, prevents breakage, and leaves hair soft, silky, and manageable. Massaging coconut oil into the scalp stimulates blood circulation and nourishes hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Its antimicrobial properties also help keep the scalp free from infections. The protective barrier formed by coconut oil helps shield hair from environmental damage, such as UV rays and pollution. Regular use prevents split ends, dryness, and brittleness, keeping hair strong and resilient. Coconut oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties make it an effective treatment for dandruff and scalp conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Its moisturizing properties soothe itchiness and irritation. Coconut oil enhances the natural shine and luster of hair, giving it a healthy, radiant appearance. It seals moisture into the hair shaft, creating a glossy, frizz-free finish. From hair masks and serums to leave-in conditioners and styling products, coconut oil is a versatile ingredient in hair care formulations. It's suitable for all hair types and can be customized to meet your specific needs. In conclusion, coconut oil is a true miracle worker for your hair, offering a myriad of benefits that promote strength, growth, and vitality.